Welcome back to campustech. Today I have iPhone 14 on my desk. You can see the back is broken, so just put the plier on the sides. Look at this, it's broken from here and the top. So the customer was saying it's not charging. So this back is kind of same for iPhone 4 or 4S, but that was iPhone 4 series back was sliding down, but this one has hinges, so you can just pull out just like the iPhone screen. So just take out this thing. Be careful because it has the charger and the flashlight, I mean the wireless charger and the flashlight connector. So first of all, just disconnect this thing from the body. So now you are able to work on the phone. So I just removed all screws and disconnect the battery first. Take out that thing because the customer want to replace the back camera also. They were saying it is not working, so they disconnect the back camera. It is kind of easy. So just remove these two connector. I think the other one I did it, but you need to just remove these two connector. The both back cameras are together. So this is a new back camera. I got it from my vendor. So just take out that plastic and properly align back into place, and make sure these flexes are on the right place, otherwise when you close the phone it will bother you. So let's put the screw back for the back camera. So the one part will be done, and here is the back camera is ready to go. And now it's time to change the charging port. So unscrew all screws. So this is it. I'm just disconnecting the all connector from the motherboard, especially on the lower end. So you can see the 1, 2. This is the biggest speaker, and here is a Taptic Engine. So it is connected with the charging port on the bottom. You can see that. So after this, I need to remove the SIM tray, which contains the SIM card. So this SIM tray has a little bit tricky to take out. So you need this tool to remove this. After removing this thing, so just take out the SIM tray. It is, I think, underneath the motherboard. So let's put it aside for a moment. So you need to remove this screws underneath that. This is see, these are multiple screws, the same thing. So after this, use the plastic tool to remove this all attachment to the charging port. Look at this plastic, which is holds the microphone and all the stuff. So look at this. I'm just detaching the microphone right now. So this is a plastic piece which is not come with the charging port. So you just put aside for a moment and track down the charging port, because you will find the multiple screws on that. So just remove it. It has a adhesive tape or the glue on the bottom. So this is the very bottom. You'll find a couple of screws on the body. So just remove those screws. Those are kind of big screws which is holding the charging port itself. You'll see. So just remove those things. And here is this is a SIM tray holder, which is a SIM reader actually. So after this, here is the charging port. You can see it has a couple of microphone, and it has a couple of connector right there. So I need that cover too. This is a new charging port which I got. So just place it back properly underneath the motherboard, and this is a plastic piece which I'm putting back. So after this, properly align back in place everything, and after placing everything back, so now you need to change, you need to put the screw. I installed the Taptic Engine, SIM tray holder, SIM reader and this is a big speaker. So this all are in place, and after tighten all the screws, so it's time to just change the back glass. So the back glass this is the microphone attached, and here is a flashlight with the back glass. So you can remove those things with the wireless charger. So this is a whole complete one flex. So just after this, to be careful, don't break this wireless charging thing, and it has some adhesive inside and a couple of aluminum thing. So this is a one flex. So this flex will, here's a back glass which I got, which has nothing. So after placing all flex back, I just connected and putting back properly, and just it is working right now. The back camera is working. If you like that video, thumbs up, like and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.